Urimi wa makorobia no uthiite na mbere na gwikirirwo guku bururi-ini kumana na kugacira gwa thoko ino mabũrũri ma nanja na muno makiria bũrũri-ini wa China. Akiaria hindi ya kuruguria mitaratara ya wende wa makorobia kuri ahũri biashara nini kaunti-ini ya Kiambu, murugamiriri munene wa EPC Peter Biwott naugite thoko ya makorobia ni theremete na gikiro kinene guku akiuria arimi mahimbirie urimi uyu.
We not only need to export fresh or dried avocados, because that's what we are doing currently. We have realized out of the discussions today here that if we can add value, if we can adopt the Big Four and manufacture and add value, Kenya can even multiply even by over 10 times the income or revenue which is earned out of exportation of avocado to the African continent.
Mwena-ini wake murugamiriri munene wa kiama kia onjoria kaunti-ini ya Kiambu Dan Miano naugite kwa hinda riri mwerekera wao ni kuhe arimi miti ya makorobia kuri andu aria mari na makiria ma eka imwe na niguo mahote kuongerera baita makiria.
We are looking at farmers with at least half an acre to an acre and above, because we want farmers who not who will grow, they can grow the two seedlings, the 4 seedlings, which will be used for value addition.
Kwa hinda riri Minister wa urimi Mwangi Kionjori akoretwo agithiururuka ituri tiganite cia bururi itanya nene ri kuheana miti ya makorobia na niguo arimi mamihande.
Hii miti imefanywa utafiti. They are grafted avocado. Ukipata miti 5 leo, hii miti ukienda kununua pale kwa soko yake, hii mti ukiuzwa rahisi sana ni 250. Kwa hivyo kwanza wakati unaenda nyumbani uko na 1250 ndio utapeleka nyumbani kutoka hapa.
Handu-ini ha Kameme TV mohoro gitau gitagwo Waithaka Kenywa.